तशेंच दुसरे वर्स B.Ed भुरगीं अशेंच तरेन रानभाजेचें प्रदर्शन इंटर्नशिपी वेळार वेगवेगळ्या शाळांनी करतात। हे एक ह्या रानवटी कार्यावळीचें जैत।
आता हांव मागता बाय श्रुती नायक हाचे लागीं की ताणें रानवटी 3.0 रानभाजी प्रदर्शनाचें म्हत्व आमच्या मुखार मांडलें।
A very good morning to everyone present here. Ranvati 3.0 is an exhibition dedicated to the rich heritage of Goa's wild vegetables and medicinal plants. The word Ranvati is derived from Ran, meaning forest or wilderness, and represents the treasures that nature generously offers. More than an exhibition, Ranvati 3.0 is a celebration of Goa's biodiversity, indigenous knowledge, cultural heritage, and our timeless bond with nature. Long before modern medicine and supermarkets, our ancestors depended on forests for food, healing, and survival. Every plant carried nutritional, medicinal, and ecological value, reflecting a way of life rooted in harmony with nature. Ranvati serves as a platform to preserve and promote this invaluable traditional knowledge. As modernization gradually erodes age-old practices, this initiative ensures that the wisdom of our elders is documented, celebrated, and passed on to future generations. The exhibition also highlights the importance of conserving the biodiversity of Western Ghats, one of the world's richest biodiversity hotspots. Protecting these forests means safeguarding the countless plant and animal species that sustain our ecosystem and future. Equally important is the message of health and sustainability. Many wild vegetables are rich in essential nutrients and natural medicinal properties, encouraging us to embrace local, seasonal, and sustainable food traditions. As future educators, we believe that learning extends beyond classrooms. Through Ranvati, we hope to inspire environmental responsibility, scientific curiosity, and a deep appreciation of our cultural and natural heritage. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our respected program coordinator, Associate Professor Dr. Anna George, whose visionary leadership, unwavering dedication, and tireless efforts have made Ranvati a remarkable success. Ma'am's deep passion for nature, commitment to research, and dedication to preserving indigenous knowledge have transformed Ranvati into a meaningful movement celebrated across schools in Goa. It has become a movement that reconnects us with roots, instills pride in our cultural identity, and encourages respect for nature, and reminds us of the wisdom embedded in our ancestral way of life. As we move forward, let us carry the spirit of Ranvati in our hearts, respecting nature, preserving our heritage, and inspiring others to do the same. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
देव बरें करूं श्रुती। आता आमी आमच्या मुखेल सोयऱ्याक आनी हेर मानेस्तांक फुलां दिवन येवकार दितली। मागता बाय सुशीला गांवकर हाचे लागीं की ताणें आमची मुखेल सोयरी डॉक्टर बीना पेडणेकर हिका फुलांचो रोपो दिवन येवकार दिवची। हांव बाय सलोनी गावडे हाचे लागीं मागता की तांणी आमचे चेअरमॅन GVM's वर्किंग कमिटीचे सर कृष्णा शेटये हांकां फूल दिवन येवपाचें। हांव मागता बाय मनाली सावंत हाचे लागीं की ताणें डॉक्टर कार्लोस फर्नांडीस GVM's वर्किंग कमिटीचे मेंबर हांकांय फूल दिवन येवपाचें।
मागता बाय ईशा राहुल हाचे लागीं की ताणें आमचे प्राचार्य डॉक्टर जोर्जन मॅथ्यू सर हाका फूल दिवन येवपाचें। मागता बाय तन्वी साळगांवकर हाचे लागीं की ताणें डॉक्टर एना जॉर्ज हिका फूल दिवन येवपाचें। देव बरें करूं तन्वी। आयच्या कार्यावळीची मुखेल सोयरी म्हूण आमकां लाभल्या डॉक्टर बिना वेर्णेकर. मागता बाय सियावर्दे लागीं की ताणें मॅडमीची वळख करून दिवची.
It is my privilege and honor to introduce our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Veena K. Vendekar. Dr. Vendekar is an associate professor of chemistry and head of the postgraduate department of chemistry at the Government College of Arts, Science and Commerce, Khandala, Goa. With over 30 years of teaching and research experience, she has made significant contributions to inorganic chemistry, bioinorganic chemistry, coordination chemistry, medicinal plants and natural products. She established the MSc in Organic Chemistry program at her college and is currently leading a DST-funded research project on the biological evaluation of Moringa oleifera. Inspired by Goa's rich biodiversity, she is passionate about documenting wild edible vegetables and medicinal plants, exploring their health benefits, and preserving traditional knowledge. She also serves as the director of the Research, Development and Innovation Cell of her college and has published over 15 research papers in international journals. Her dedication has earned her several prestigious honors, including the Best Professor Chemistry Award, the Teacher Fellowship from the Indian Academy of Sciences, and the Best Researcher Award from Goa University for 3 consecutive years. It is truly fitting that a researcher so deeply connected with medicinal plants and nature is with us today for our event, Ranvati 3.2, which is indeed a celebration of Goa's invaluable wild vegetables and medicinal plant heritage. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in extending a warm and a heartfelt welcome to our respected chief guest, Dr. Veena K. Vendekar, with a big round of applause. We welcome you, ma'am. Thank you.
देव बरें करूं सिया. पण ताच्या पयलीं ह्या वेळार मागता GVMs महाविद्यालयाचे चेअरमॅन श्री सर कृष्णा शेट्ये हांचे लागीं की ताणें ह्या वेळार आपले उलोवप करचें.
Good morning. Am I audible? ऐकू येत आपण सगळ्यांक? सगळ्यांक बरी सकाळ हांव उलयतां. गोवा विद्याप्रसारक मंडळाच्या दादावयते कॉलेज ऑफ एज्युकेशन शैक्षणिक महाविद्यालयान आयोजीत केल्ल्या रानवटी झाडापालो आनी त्या रानांत मेळपी भाज्यांचें प्रदर्शन. त्या प्रदर्शनाक भुरग्यांनी दिल्लो साथ ज्या ज्या जाग्याचेर त्यो भाज्यो आनी ती वखदां मेळटा ती हांगा हाडून ताचें प्रदर्शन घडोवपाक घेतिल्ले त्रास ताकालच. ह्या खातीर हांव ह्या प्रदर्शनाच्यो संयोजक डॉक्टर एनालिना जॉर्ज आनी ताजे सगळे वांगडी भुरगे तांकां गुरू आनी शिश्य अशें आमी म्हणुया. ताचे सगळे शिश्य ना शिश्याच आसा म्हणटकच तांचे सगळ्यांचे मना काळजांतल्यान अभिनंदन करता आनी खूब खोस भोगता ह्या समयाचेर हांगा येवन एक उलोवप करपाक. कित्याक खुबश्यो गजाली आमी शेणयल्या किंवा आमच्या काळजांतल्यान मनांतल्यान गोंयच्या काळजांतल्यान शेणल्या त्यो परत्यो हाडपाक त्यो परत्यो जाग्यार घालपाक कोणे तरी एक वावर करचो पडटा. त्या वावर करप्याक केमिस्ट्रीचे भाशेन सांगपाचें जाल्यार ताका कॅटलिस्ट म्हणटात आनी तो कॅटलिस्ट म्हणल्यार एनालिना जॉर्ज आनी रिएक्टंट्स म्हणल्यार हे सगळे भुरगे तांचे रिएक्शन तांचे एक्शन ताका लागून हें सगळें साध्य जालां. आतां हें आमी सायन्स शास्त्राचे पद्दतीन सांगपाचें जालें जर जाय जाल्यार आमी ताका कितें म्हणटाले की आमी कार्य करता ताजे उपरांत ताका वळखुपाक प्रतिसाद मेळटा आनी तातूंतल्यानूच हें सगळें घडटा. ह्या घडणुकेंत तुमी मांडिल्लें प्रदर्शन तातूंत तुमी हाडिल्ल्यो भाजयो चाखून पळयल्यो अजून रूच तोंडाक तशीच आसा पूण म्हाका अजून कोणें खतखतें थंय दवरिल्लें दिसूना. खतखतें हांवें पळोवन आशिल्लें पूण बाकी सगळ्यो भाजयो पळयल्यो पूण तातूंत तरी खूब भाजयो गोंयांत मेळटा तातूंतल्यो कमी आसा. आमी तारखेळो पळयलो पूण कुड्डुकीची भाजी पळोवना आसा पांभांक पळोवना. तेणयाची पळयली, तेण्याची पळयली, एकपानाची पळयली, श्रीमंडोळी पळयली, ह्यो सगळ्यो पळयल्यो पळोवन दुदीची भाजी हांवें पळोवना आसा. मागीर तातूंत वेट म्हणटा ती पळोवना. वेट म्हणटा ती तुमकां खबर आसा भुरग्यांक कोणाक वेट म्हणटा ती खबर आसा? तुका खबर आसा? तुवें करता वेट म्हणटा ती. वेट म्हणल्यार कोणाक खबर आसा? वेट म्हणल्यार सांगता. वेट म्हणल्यार सुरण आसता न्ही सुरण ताजे स्टेम तन्ने स्टेम ते स्टेमाच्यो भायल्यो साली काडपाच्यो आनी ती शिनप आनी ताका चणे आनी मसालो घालप आनी ते बरो मसालो ताजो शिजोवप आनी जितली मोर टेंडर इट इज मोर बेटर टेस्टी इट इज. सो म्हणटकच जितली ती तन्नी आसता तितली ती बरी लागता. मागीर अश्यो ह्यो सगळ्यो भाजयो ह्यो खुबश्यो भाजयो आमी खायनात. आमी आतां कितें जाल्या आमकां संवय जाल्या फास्ट फूड कॉलीफ्लावर कॅबेज देन युअर कॅप्सिकम ब्रोकली एंड बीन्स आनी चिटकी मिटकी तसल्या भाजयांची संवय जाल्या आनी त्योय भाजी आमी आतां खायना. आतां आमी हें खावपाक लागल्या मंचुरियन चायनीज आनी तें बी वेज मंचुरियन कितें तातूंत पीठ घालता आनी कितें करता म्हाका खबर ना पूण इतल्यो सुंदर सुरबूस भाजयो तयार करपाक घरान मनीस आसतना आमी हें भायले वचून खाता कित्याक आमकां तो त्रास जाता करपाक. आमकां तें आवडना करपाक. किचन कोण पळयतलो? आतां आमी इल्ले पाश्चात्य देशांत वचपाक लागल्या. डू यू नो वन थिंग स्टुडंट्स? इन अमेरिका they don't have kitchen. They have only order in the hotel and they eat. The burger and the pizza is their staple food. पूण आमचें स्टेपल फूड कितें हाजेर थोडी म्हायती सांगूंक जाय भुरग्यांक. सगळ्यांनी आयकात. म्हायती म्हणल्यार आमी गोंयकार लोक आमी गोंयच्या मातयेन जल्मल्या आनी ह्या मातयेन कितें जें जाता तें आमी खालें जर जायत जाल्यार आमची लॉन्जिविटी वाडटा. आमी पयलींचे लोक आमचे म्हजे आजो पणजो सगळे 90-95 वर्सांचेर मेल्या. म्हणजे म्हाका ते सगळे सांगतात तूं 95 वर्सांचेरूच वतलो तो पर्यंत तूं जिवियमान आसतलो म्हणटकीच तशें कांय ना तें पूण सांगता ज्या मातयेन जें जाता ते मातयेंतलें आमी खावंक गोंयकारांनी खावंक जाय. आतां तें जर सुनील कुमाराक आनीक हाका काम सांगलें जोजन मॅथ्यूक तें बसतलें कित्याक केरळ आनी गोंय हातूंत थोडें साम्य आसा. जाल्यार सुनील कुमार बिहार न्ही सो बिहाराक तो कितें खाता तें वेगळें. तें ताका हांगाचें ताका तें जमचें ना म्हणल्यार ताका तें हें जायना ताका तो शीक पडटलो वेगवेगळे हें जाता. हांगा आमी जर वचून पंजाबाक तांचे ते गंव खाता म्हणून आमी गंव खावपाक लागले जाल्यार आमकांय बी तेच परिस्थिती जातली आमची. किंवा महाराष्ट्रान वचून आमी ज्वारी बाजरी बी खावपाक लागले जाल्यार वी वील ऑल्सो डेवलप सिकनेस कॉन्स्टिपेशन एंड एनी अदर problems. So our system is designed for the food that is grown in this soil and therefore we are supposed to eat. आणि त्या खातीर आमी ह्या मातयेन जें किल्लता जें जाता तें खावंक जाय. ह्या मातयेंतलो भेंडो तूं खालो जाल्यार तुका कांय जावचें ना पूण तो जर तूं भिंडी म्हणून बाजारांत मेळटा ती जर हाडून खायत जाल्यार तुका प्रॉब्लेम जातलो. ह्या मातयेंतलें कणांक खाल्यार कांय जावचें ना, ह्या मातयेंतलें चिरको खाल्यार कांय जावचें ना, ह्या मातयेंतलें कारानो खालो जाल्यार सुरण खालो जाल्यार कांय जावचें ना. पूण भायर तुका सुरण मेळटा तो तुवें खालो जर जायत जाल्यार तो सुरण ताका तुका इन्फेक्शन जावं येता बिकॉज दॅट इज वीथ फर्टिलायझर. वेरेज आमचो सुरण आसता तो कुळागरांत जाता आनी तो शेण सारें बी ताजेर जगता जाता आनी तो खूब व्हडलो जाता. तुमी केदो व्हडलो सुरण पळयला? केदो पळयला कोणें सुरण? केदो व्हडलो सुरण पळयला? CBFC. आमचो जल्म आनी तुमचो जल्म हातूंत खूब फरक आसा. तुमी आयल्या जल्माक मोबायल हातांत घेवन, आमी आयल्या जल्माक पेट्रोलाचो दिवो घेवन. म्हणटकच आमकां ट्रान्सफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम केरोसीन लॅम्प टू लांबयां टू पेट्रोमॅक्स टू ट्यूबलायट टू LED from transistor to computer to mobile. We have seen this. We are very fortunate, our generation. आमच्याच दोळ्या मुखार हे सगळे बदल इल्ले करून घडले आनी त्या बदलाक आमी पुराय साक्षीदार आसा. पूण तुमकां ताजें कांयच पळोवन वचूना. तुमकां केन्नाच कोणें असो एक डबो घे आनी पेट्रोल घेवन यो म्हूण सांगूना. सांगलां ना. तुमकां डायरेक्ट बटन दामले बरोबर लायट दिसली पळयता. तशें एक दीस लायट ना जाल्यार शीक कालो जाता लायट ना. आमचें तशें नाशिल्लें. आमकां अभ्यास करपाक बसलो जाल्यार तो पेट्रोलाचो दिवो पयलीं साफ करचो पडटालो, मागीर ताका वाज चडोवची पडटाली, मागीर तातूंत पेट्रोल घालचें पडटालें आनी मागीर तो पेटयतकच अभ्यास करपाक बसचो पडटालो. आनी तितल्याच पुरतो तो पडटालो सुवात. तरी आसतना 4 भुरगे ताचे बरोबर बसून शिकताले. तो पार्ट वेगळो. पूण आतां आमी भाजयेचेर उलयतलें जर जायत जाल्यार भाजी आमी कसली कसली खाताले. आमच्या भुरगेपणांत आमी तन्ने केळ्यांची भाजी, वसरीची केळी म्हणून जाताली, तांची भाजी, तांची कापां, सुरणाची सुकी भाजी, सुरणाची पातळ भाजी, मागीर सुरणाच्या स्टेमाची भाजी, सुरणाच्या पाल्याची भाजी, मागीर तुका बोडयेची भाजी, मागीर तुका काराण्याची माना हो शब्द कोणें आयकला? माना आयकला? माना हो शब्द आयकला? माना आयकला? Today we have a beautiful word for that. I had potato wafers. It is wafers. ते पयलीं जाणट्या घरा कणगां बी येतकच तांची सारकी आदोळेचेर पातळ ही कापां करताले. पातळ सामकें पेपर थीन आनी ती खोबरेल तेलांत तळटाले आनी तुका दिताले. ती ताका आमी माना म्हणटाले. आतां जी कणगांची करताले ती हाजी करताले कारानो आनी ती काठे कणगां ताजी करताले. सो ऑल दीस वेर ओल्डन डेज delicacies, we say. Now you have the wafers packed in a big lace and big box, cylindrical box with 20 wafers for 110 rupees. But whereas mana of this big double was given to my grandmother free of cost. So आता माना कितें जाल्यार ते भुरगे म्हणटा हें शी हांव खावचें ना म्हणटात तें भायर उडयता. I'm telling you the truth. पूण these were the fruits. Then how it was done in olden days? How it was done? Everybody was working. सगळे लोक काम करताले. सगळ्या लोकांक खबर आशिल्लें खंय कितें मेळटालें. ते रानांतल्यान पुनान हाडटाले, घरांत रोयताले. कमी कितेंच नाशिल्ली. कमी फक्त आशिल्ली ती गाडी आनी पयस वचपाची आनी एक दोतोर. रेस्ट एवरीथींग वॉज अवेलेबल एट युअर डिस्पोजल इन युअर हावस. घरांत मेळटालें. कुळागरांत गेलो जाल्यार जेवपाक पान बरोबर, ताजे बरोबर माडयेची पोंवली बरोबर. सगळे माडयेचे पोंवलेच्या हातूंत तूं केन्ना जेवला रे? हांव जेवला. पेज जेवपाक जाय जाल्यार ती पोंवले पेज जेवपाचें पोंवली काडून भायर उडोवपाची. इट ट्रेडिशन म्हणजे तशें करताले आमी. ताट बीट कांय ना, ताट बीट घांसपाचो बिसपाचो प्रश्नूच येना. तुका तो कितें म्हणटा ते रेन काय तो कसलो तो तुमी हें लायता तो डिटर्जंट भीम तरी कांय ना. गोबर लायलो की ताट साफ जातालें पळोवन पवली भायर उडयली की बायोडिग्रेडेबल ती वताली. सो अशा परिस्थितींत ह्यो रानवटी भाजयो सगळे लोक गोंयांत खाताले, पचयताले आनी तांकां कॉन्स्टिपेशनूय जायनाशिल्लें. जालें जाल्यार तें कसलें तें वखद बाया पाल्याचें उदक घेतल्यार ताका तें मोशन जातालें आनी तो बरो जातालो. आतां आमी नवें खाण खावपाक लागिल्ल्या कारणान आमकां चडशीं दुयेंसां जावपाक लागल्या बिकॉज तातूंत सोडियम मेटाबायसल्फायड, पोटॅशियम मेटाबायसल्फायड, then you have sodium glutamate, disodium glutamate. So ही सगळी ग्लुटामेट आनी बायसल्फायड आमकां खूब त्रास करता. these are preservatives. लोणच्यान बी प्रिझर्वेटीव नासता, तातूंत सॉल्ट आसता एज अ प्रिझर्वेटीव. सो तें व्हडलें डेंजर जायना. पूण चडशे हे फास्ट फूड आमकां खूब त्रास करतात. आमी फक्त ह्यो रानवटी भाजयो इतल्योच न्ही, खूब आसा त्यो आनी त्यो करून खाल्यो जाल्यार तुका वरायटी ऑफ भाजयो मेळटल्यो रेगुलर. आतां हांवें तुका कितें तरी हांगा सांगल्यो, तातूंत तें खतखतें जर करीत जाल्यार त्या खतखत्यांत तरेतरेचे जिन्नस घालून ते तरेतरेच्यो तातूंत ती मुंडली घाल, मागीर तूं ते मको ना, मको यू आर नॉट सपोज, मको इज नो गूड. मको इज एन आर्टिफिशियल. It appears as a dentures in the katkate. Dentures, you can't eat it. Yes. So, सुरण, मागीर निरपणस, हे सगळं निरपणसाची सुकी भाजी, पातळ भाजी, वंडरफूल. So taste of our Goan taste, Goan cuisine, if you want to see real cuisine, is this ranvati bhajyo, and then you have mugangati and चण्याचो रोस. It's wonderful. हाजे सारकें जेवण ना. मागीर ह्या भुरग्यांनी कुळ घाला काय म्हणून आयकूं ना. कुळ घाला, कोणें कुळ घाला. कुळ म्हणल्यार खबर आसा तुका कितें तें? कुळ म्हणल्यार कोंकणीन ताका तुमी आतां मराठीन ताका बरो शब्द दिता तो एक चटणी. चटणीक कोंकणीन कुळ म्हणटात. तो कुळ पातळूय करतात आनी दाटूय करतात. ताका एक हरवे मिरसांगेचो कुळ म्हणून आसता किंवा एक व्हायट चिली येता. हॅव यू हर्ड अबाउट व्हायट चिली? त्या धवे मिरसांगेचो कुळ करतात. आनी ताका ताजे पेक्षा बरो कुळ नाल्लाचे जून नाल्लाची कातली भाजून एक कुळ करतात. इट इज वंडरफूल. कारात्याचो कुळ इज वंडरफूल. सो ऑल दीज चटनीज आमी ताका आतां मराठीन ताका शब्द आयला चटणी. चटणी न्ही, कोंकणीन ताका कुंवळ म्हणटा आनी कुंवळ इज वंडरफूल. आनी हे सगळे कुंवळ कितलेशेच तरेचे आसा. मातशी गोडसाण आशिल्ली कारात्याची चटणी सामकी बरी लागता. कारात्याच्यो फोडी, हे सगळे रानांतली जिन्नस फळां हाडून आमी रांदून करतात आनी ताका लागून तातूंतली पौश्टीक जनुकां आमकां मेळटात, म्हणल्यार न्युट्रिशन्स. आनी त्या न्युट्रियंटांक लागून आमी गोंयकारांचें आरोग्य आमचें बरें उरता. तातूंत आतां बाकीच्या लोकांनी भायल्यान कोण गोंयकार जाल्यार तांणी सुद्दां खालें म्हणून कांय हरकत ना. कित्याक आनी तांचे भुरगे हांगा जल्मले म्हणटकीर ते गोंयकार जाले. children have born in Goa now they are Goans, so they can very well consume this. So आणि ताका लागून आमचें आरोग्य सगळ्यांचें सुदारतलें. आनी सगळ्या भुरग्यांक म्हजी विनंती की जितलीं झाडांची तुमी आज हांगा भाजी केल्या किंवा हांगा हाडून प्रदर्शन केलां तितलीं झाडां ह्या कॅम्पसांत तुमी लायात. एक झाड तरी हाडून लायात. तें झाड आमकां फुडल्या वर्सा हांगा पळोवंक मेळटलें. प्रत्येकान आपल्या घराच्या पोरसान 1-2 झाडां अशीं लावची आनी ती वाडोवची, टिकोवची. ताका लागून ताचें प्रोपगेशन जातलें. लोकांक कळटलें आमी खंयच्यो भाजयो खावंक जाय. मस्काची भाजी गोड घालून सामकी सुंदर जाता. आतां ह्या दिसांनी काडली आमी श्रावण म्हयनो लागचे पयलीं न्ही. म्हणटकच हें सगळें हांव तुमकां सांगता कित्याक आज रानवटी हांव मुद्दाम येता रानवटी 3, रानवटी 1, रानवटी 2, रानवटी 3 I was present. So it was a commendable job that has been done by Annalena George for all these years. I salute her. कोंकणीन सांगपाचें जर जालें जाल्यार हे वस्तुरेक हांव नमन करता आनी तिणें केल्लें कार्य खूब व्हड आनी हें कार्य तिणें बरें बरोवचें आनी तेंय ती कोंकणीन बरोवचें. कोणूय कोंकणीन बरोवपाक जाल्यार कोणाचोय आदार घेवचो आनी तें पुस्तक तयार करचें आनी तें पुस्तक लायब्ररीन दवरचें. तुजें नांव रिटायर जाल्यार सुद्दां हांगा उरतलें म्हणटकच आनी तें तुका कितेंय करपाक जाय ताचें जाल्यार आमचो दोतोर कार्लोस वील बी हेल्पींग यू टू डू दीस आनी मेनी स्टुडंट्स वील पार्टिसिपेट इन दीस. एंड तुमकां हांव चड वेळ आतां घेना आमकां वचूं जाय पूण म्हाका दिसता की हें तुमी भुरग्यांनी हांगा जें प्रदर्शन मांडलें तें उत्कृश्ट अशें प्रदर्शन तातूंतल्यान आमकां निसर्गात कितें मेळटा निसर्गांतलें आमी कितें खावंक शकता. महात्मा गांधीन म्हणलां निसर्गांतलें जें कितें आसा तें आमकां पुरेपूर हे पृथ्वीचे वयल्या पृथ्वी तला वयल्या सगळ्या लोकांक पुरो अशें आसा पुरत अशें आसा. म्हणून तें जर आमी चड अती करून जर खावपाक सोदपाक लागत जाल्यार ती पृथ्वी नश्ट जातली. म्हणटकच आमकां आमी ग्रीडी जावंक जायना आमी अदाशी जावपाक जायना. कोंकणीन ग्रीडीक वर्ड अदाशी अदाशी जावपाक जायना. आमी फक्त आमकां जाय तितलो ताजो वापर करप खावप आनी वेवस्थीत तें परत फुडले पिळगे खातीर जपून दवरप. हें तुमी भुरगे जे शिक्षक फुडें जातले ते भुरग्यां मेरेन हें सगळें पावयतले अशी म्हाका निश्चित आस्त आसा. आनी तातूंतल्यान ही रानवटी भाजी सगळे शाळांनी पावून सगळे शाळांक हें मेळटलें ज्ञान अशी आस्त हांव बाळगितां. कालूच आमी मॅथ्स सर्कल हांगा इनॉग्रेट केलें. गणीत शिकपा खातीर भुरगे येता तांच्या खातीर तें सर्कल आशिल्लें. तातूंतल्यान गणिताचो प्रसार जातलो. रानवटी भाजयेच्या आजच्या ह्या निमतान प्रदर्शनाच्या निमतान आनी भाजयो बिजयो हाडून हांगा कितें आमकां चाखून दिलें ताज्या हातूंतल्यान माध्यमांतल्यान सगळ्या भुरग्यांक हें पावतलें भुरग्यां कडेन. आतां ह्यो रानवटीचें प्रदर्शनां सगळे कडेन जावपाक लागल्या. पयलीं फर्स्ट प्रदर्शन वॉज डन बाय यू फर्स्ट एक्झिबिशन. म्हणटकच हांव तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आयोजकांनी म्हाका हांगा पयलो दोन उतर सांगपाक दिली म्हणून आयोजकांक दिनवासतां तुमकां सगळ्या भुरग्यांक दिनवासतां आनी देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. देव बरें करूं.
देव बरें करूं शेट्ये सर. तुवें खूब बरे तरेन आमचें मार्गदर्शन केलें. आमकां खूब रानवटी भाजयो ज्यो आसा तेंची नांवां सुद्दां खबर नाशिल्लीं आनी रानवटी अशा कार्यावळीक लागून आमकां ते भाजयेची नांवां कळपाक संद मेळ्ळी आमकां ती नांवां कळपाची आनी आमी ती स्कुलांनी वचून आतां करतलीं तर त्याय भुरग्यांक आतां ती कळटली खंयची रानवटी भाजयो आसात ती. तर फुडल्या सुवातेर मागता आमची मुखेल सोयरी डॉक्टर बिना पेडणेकर हांच्या लागीं की ताणें कांय उतरां सांगची.
I'm really overwhelmed with all the exhibition what you all have shown, different plants, and the way you all have made the dishes and presented the dishes. At the outset, I congratulate Dr. Annalena George and all the students, teams, different teams, for such a magnificent work which you have put displayed today. And so congratulations, give them a big applause. So respected chairman sir, respected principal, distinguished guests, all dear students, invitees, warm good afternoon to all of you all. I am here actually, I really feel that I am enriched today. I have really got lot of knowledge. I am a learner. Sia must have read about me, different things about me, whatever I have achieved throughout my life, whatever my journey, research journey. But today I felt that I am a learner. I always say I learn from each and every person I meet. So when I met Dr. Nina, I really liked the way she told me that I never knew that anybody organizes such events. So I was, I said, yes, I'm coming, I want to see. So thank you so much. It's my privilege and honor for inviting me here to inaugurate and to be with the students and to learn and enjoy your dishes. Everything was really awesome. I am short of words to describe the way I have enjoyed your. It is really. I will write something and send to all of your students, because right now I cannot say much, and sir also wants to go. So I will just start with the presentation. In between, I will just tell certain things like I just want to tell students that you all are going to be future teachers. You all are going to be future researchers, and you all are custodians of our natural heritage. And we are, and it's your responsibility that you are going to transform this knowledge to the way you all said that, sir said that it will be reaching the different schools. I will be really privileged or humble to that whether it's the students will, Dr. Nina will come to our college and have this exhibition. So I will be really happy if this can be done, collaborate for this. And so that our students also should know, because they don't know anything of this, I feel. So, so you all are the custodians of the natural heritage of Goa, and I also feel that we are blessed that we are in Goa, because Goa is one of the biodiversity spot, the hot spot of biodiversity. No problem. So we are blessed to be born in Goa, and because Goa is considered, Western Ghats are considered to be the hot spots of biodiversity. I hope, I think you must have visited, and because she is such a, and you have Dr. Nina, I call her now Dr. Nina only, because it's a short form, becomes better, and it's a, so you have role model in her, you should have, you should get inspired by her work, what she is doing. Her documentary, I have seen 10 minutes documentary, but so much I have learned from that documentary. So it will be really great, if you carry on this work in your schools when you go and when you join your jobs. And then do research also. You can do your PhD in this particular biodiversity. So I was asking her what is the specialization. She said biodiversity, and really it is in sync with whatever she is doing. So let me start with the presentation. I won't waste much of time. Can I have water? Shetye sir had just now mentioned that Earth provides enough to satisfy every person's need, but not every person's greed. So he said the same thing, and I told him that it reflected with my with the mission, whatever this I have. So, in my mind to put across to you all. So Hippocrates is the physician. He said nature itself is the best physician. So with this background, I would like to go ahead. So why, first of all, I would just like to tell you all why these plants are very important. Why do we use them as medicines? So why we use them as medicines because they have these antioxidants. So antioxidants are different kind of polyphenols and flavonoids, different organic compounds. So these compounds, they neutralize the free radicals in our body, which causes this type of cancer and all that, which causes cell division and all. So that's why we have to eat these medicinal plants, or we have to eat these vegetables. So with this background, again I will say that nature. Why nature? All of you have used these green vegetables, right? Do you know what is the compound present in green vegetables? Do you know? Do you know what is the compound present in green vegetables? Photosynthesis, no? Which compound does? Chlorophyll. Yeah, so chlorophyll is the compound which is very important for photosynthesis. And to tell you all that, we have these plants mimicked by scientists, and scientists have synthesized leaf now. You know, there are some institutions which has synthetic leaf laboratories, and the leaves are synthesized, and then the work is going on. How these leaves are doing the work. Okay, so traditional knowledge is very valuable as far as our science is concerned. So we have to bridge bridge the gap between these traditional knowledge and science. Okay, so next is these are the different plants which I have put here, like jambul, which already you all used. So many plants I was thinking of putting across, but already you all knew. But there are some traditionally used medicines. So you all were knowing about it. Some of you all have asked your parents. Some of you all have asked your whoever grown it in the crops. Then touch me not also you all have put neem. Now in neem there is one medicine which I will be putting in head. There is a drug which is already isolated and it is used as medicine. It has come as capsules. So it is used for cancer, anti-cancer therapy. Then there is kiraite. Kiraite all of us know. It is used as an anti-helmintic. Means it is used for dant, roundworms. Then amrutvel, there is giloy. So all of us we know that it gives immunity to the body. Then adulsa, there is pecicine is the compound which is being isolated. Then parizat also is used for arthritis and all. Curry leaves, you all have already put. Then pullanama again, bodhi. And areca nut is not, it is used by the people, but it is not that much beneficial to the body. So this is just very few plants I have taken, and I would just like to tell you all must be knowing already, from tulsi we get the compound called as eugenol. Eugenol is a compound which is used by dentists. You know, it gives that very nice feeling. So there is a compound which is used by dentists. So neem also, the name is Edzo. This is the name of the scientific plant, and indica, and it has a this of antibacterial and antifungal as well as skin care. Aloe vera, everybody knows aloe vera. Okay, so moringa, I am doing the work on moringa, like we are isolating the anti-cancer property of moringa. Okay, there is a compound called as benzyl isothiocyanate, so which we test it as anti-cancer, and then we will be documenting it in the form of a publication. So next is turmeric. I hope all of you know turmeric will be curcumin. So curcumin is a very important compound. I will show you the structure later on. Then last is giloy, again giloy. So these are all you all have seen the plants in person. So I am just putting the pictures. Okay, indigenous plants used as traditional medicines for jaundice or kidney related diseases. This you all have not put. So this I will just tell very few words regarding. So today when I ate your food, I was eating your bhajis, I remembered my mother. And my mother was a passionate, she used to make these drugs, not drugs as such, she used to make these concoctions and then basically this concoction of these two, and she used to give it for jaundice. And she has cured many people from jaundice. And other thing, she used to also for kidney related diseases. So what happened once upon a time, like when I was 5 years old, I have not told you, so I said I will just share it with the students because this is a miracle which has happened with my father. So he was diagnosed with kidney related issues. His kidneys, both kidneys were non-functional. And doctor in Goa told us to go to, I was very small that time, I was not doing anything, and they told us to go to Mumbai. And then in Mumbai, after doing all the tests, everything, doctors declared him that both the kidneys are not functional and no dialysis also will be working. So, and his body was fully swollen. I have the photos with me. He was fully swollen. And he was brought back, doctors told that तुमच्या सोयऱ्यांक बिऱ्यांक आपयात, सगळ्यांक हें करात. And my mother never lost any faith in God, God and nature. So she always had that confidence in her. So then she said that somebody told her that somebody in Margao giving the medicine for kidney related issues. And when doctors had declared him that within 3 or 6 months he will be not living, after starting the medicine along with these two, both she used to give, and her willpower was so much that he lived for another 15 years without dialysis. Okay? And this was ingrained in my mind when I was a small child, because if he was not there during that time, I would not have been, I would not know my father, that was very small. So God made a big favor to me that time. So I am always indebted to the plants, So today it was a very emotional moment for me when you all offered me food. All this knowledge is, I will never forget this day and this moment. Really, I am indebted to Dr. Neena as well as all of you all because it's really emotional, and this knowledge of these plants is there in me and it's just coming out now. It's like whatever you all have pleasure trove which you're given, it's like for me to imbibe in me also, and then I will also do, maybe with Dr. Neena's help, we will do. So that's how I just felt like telling you this small story. And this today's day I am dedicating to my parents, both of my parents. So next is this, you must be knowing, Father Fodi, Bryophyllum pinnata, and both these are used for kidney stones. Corn seed you all have not put, so I just thought of, I never knew that what you all will be putting, but it was really nice to see that you all were displaying all these plants which also I had in my mind. So this corn seed is boiled in water, and then that water is given to the patient. And it gets killed. Like both the medicines can be used simultaneously. So another incident I will tell you later. Punarnava and Kiraitan also, you have seen it personally. These are different types of meats. This is Vattelam, and then there is Pudina, and the third one is peppermint. So they give different flavors to food. Now you know that papaya leaves, if you crush the leaves and if you give it to the patient, even if you tie it to the fingers, the blood platelets increase. You know that? Yeah, the platelets increase. Otherwise, juice has to be given to the patient. It doesn't cure dengue. Dengue, this parasite is killed by some other medicine, but platelet count is increased, so that person get the strength. So, and that is mainly because of this carpine, quercetin, and camphorol compounds. Because of chemistry, I am just highlighting those. You may not understand, so but these are the compounds which are present, which are helpful for increasing the platelet counts. Another thing is jambul, which already you all have put the bark of the tree. So these are the jambul seeds which are used for diabetes management. The diabetes doesn't get cured here, but it gets controlled. Okay. So next is, so we all know that Western Ghats, I already told you all, it's the hottest biodiversity hotspots, and we are really lucky to be in Goa and having this rich heritage. Also, I have not much gone into the wild vegetables. I will do it later on. Like I have learned from you all regarding the vegetables. Plants was in my blood as well, but vegetables, same thing. Vegetables, antioxidants. I told you all free radicals are neutralized by antioxidants. That's the reason these vegetables are very important. Then this is the living heritage of Goa. We all know we have banyan roots. Different I told you of one medicine, but it can be used for many things. So you can document this also, banyan, aerial roots, which are neem, tulsi, turmeric, everything. All these home remedies are known. Now we know this is the now this will be just chemistry. Those people who are science or chemistry, they will understand this more. I thought of since I'm chemist, I thought of this is perceiving my way of perceiving the plants. Because I will see it as a lab, as I told you, I will see the leaf as lab, that it will synthesize something. So when it synthesizes, it gives oxygen, we get oxygen, okay? So that's how I see it like that. So humans discovered their medicinal value. So it was all the, God has already created these plants with those compounds, but the studies are done in sync with the traditional knowledge which they got. So all these compounds are not studied by Indians. Professor Raghunath Mashelkar, you heard it, So Professor Raghunath Mashelkar, he fought for a patent of haldi, turmeric. So that's how, somebody else was patenting it. USA was patenting it. So we have to fight for our rights. So next, I'll just tell you how it happens, the traditional knowledge to modern medicine, how it happens. So every modern medicine begins with a simple question from nature. So then observation, like how Dr. Meena did, then scientific validation, then you do the isolation, that happens in the lab, and after isolation, then there is something called as drug discovery.